Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the cyclic loading over a reinforced concrete column, but consider the concrete column is a cracked at first. It means we have a cracked column, or we can say this is the column has an age, under the performance, under the uh, some initial conditions. So we consider this as a cracked concrete. It is reinforced with GFRP bar here like this and the steel strip here. So let me click on this, then click on this here. Now we are going to check the AC yield. See, this is the cyclic loading or seismic loading. Now we can check, for instance, the tension damage. See the tension damage. See the static approach, we need a lot increment to solve this because it takes time, not convergence happen all time, and it needs at least 12 hours to complete the model. And this is the result. See, let me make it better. Something like that. Now let me check compressive damage. We don't have that for cracked. Yield criterion, plastic strain, equivalent plastic strain, a stiffness degradation, displacement. And now let me remove this to check, make this feature edge. We use a magnitude to have a better view. See here the GFRP rod, it can be CFRP also, no problem. CFRP or GFRP. Again, if I click on animate, in the X direction, see we have the load. Let me check the stress. The unit is Pascal here, megapascal or MPa. It is not Pascal because we use millimeter as the unit. Okay, and this is the final view. And let me now check the diagram for hysteresis diagram. See, this is as hysteresis or hysteresis diagram under the cyclic loading protocol, and you can see the maximum and minimum of the load and the maximum or minimum of the displacement in this model. So if you want to model a initial cracked concrete part like the column or beam or anything, reinforced with GFRP bar, CFRP bar, and steel reinforcement under cyclic loading, you can use this tutorial. So to provide this tutorial, you should come to our website here, abacusfm.com, find the English tutorial, then click on the title or blue sign. Here you will have a title, introduction, geometry, then the key component of the analysis, cyclic loading model, and at the end the result as figures you can see here. The cost for the CAE INP English video and reference for the material is 26 euros. You can use all cryptocurrencies like Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, or PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard. Before payment, send us an email here to tell you more about the payment method, the process, the content of the tutorial, or anything that you need to know. Okay, thank you for now. That's okay.